Shout out to Pusha T. Yeah, all day, man. Just cause it's fall, I call this demigod. Yeah. You can see I have potential to be great, and if you doubting it, it's far beyond a huge mistake. My bars make weak MCs fucking souls break. There's no comparing, I'm unlike anyone today. A league of my own, rattle the ground of whoever claims to have the throne. It's Mike fucking Ferb, I scream it till my name is known, and I'm shown respect in every place my name is known. Hand me the tissue. Defecating on the game, it's my toilet bowl. Only the second mixtape, my the boy has grown into a monster. Any beat I conquer, it's only up from here. They can feel me in the cosmos. Draw blood from haters' mouth, but I'm no Picasso. Touch fingers with God, Sistine Chapel. My 16s are discussed in chapels. I'm the truth, so I only spit the gospel. We rappers kneel in fear and they say, my God. My God, my God, yes, my God, my God, my God, demigod. Striking fear in all the hearts who oppose this. Challenge any who wanna take a shot at this. Another face of the beast, three-headed dog shit. When I leave the booth, you see just a slight miss. I'm always writing, so I never keep an idle hand. They feel small in my presence, I'm a giant man. You'll never be in my shadow, outshine everything, blind the eyes of these rappers. I could never be your rival, I'm far beyond your equal, you stand no chance of survival. Tell the champ beware, cause I'm coming for the title. Run head on into the tide, leave that train in fucking shambles. Half man, half amazing, that's just what I am. Put my CD in a pot, watch it turn tan. I know my shit is dope, and for you other rappers I leave no fucking hope. I watch them kill themselves, I love to hand them rope. I kick the damn chair, Jay told me dig a hole. Midas effect, everything turns gold. Defensive player of the year, I'm never out my zone. Only person that can hang is my fucking clone, but he don't exist. Crossing rappers' names off my hit list. These other rappers seem to hit and miss. Can't believe I'm this great, so I leave them screaming, my God, my God, my God, yes, my God, my God, my God.